In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make purchase order in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to create a purchase order in QuickBooks Desktop, the process is actually very simple once the feature is enabled. A purchase order is useful when you want to formally record items you plan to buy from a vendor before the bill is entered, and it helps you stay organized with incoming inventory and purchasing records. The first thing you need to do is make sure purchase orders are turned on in QuickBooks Desktop. To do that, go to the Edit menu at the top of the screen, then choose Preferences. From there, select Items and Inventory, and then open the Company Preferences tab. In this section, look for the option called Inventory, and purchase orders are active, and make sure that box is checked. If it is not checked, turn it on so QuickBooks can give you access to purchase order features. This is an important setup step because if the feature is disabled, you will not be able to create a purchase order from the vendors menu. Once that setting is enabled, you are ready to create the purchase order itself. Go to the top menu and click Vendors. From the drop-down list, select Create Purchase Orders. This will open the purchase order form where you can begin entering the details of the order. Now fill in the information needed for the purchase order, enter the vendor details and complete the order information in the form. Take a moment to review what you enter so everything is accurate before saving. This helps avoid confusion later, especially if you are using the purchase order to track expected items or communicate with your vendor. After all the details have been entered, click Save. And that's it! You've successfully created a purchase order in QuickBooks Desktop. As a quick tip, always double-check that the purchase order feature stays enabled in your company preferences if you do not see the option in the future. Also, reviewing the form before saving can help keep your purchasing records clean and accurate. That's all there is to it. Once you've done it once, creating purchase orders in QuickBooks Desktop becomes a fast and easy part of your workflow.